Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Schwab app and remove saved bank details. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the Schwab app from your device, start by locating the app icon on your home screen. Press and hold the icon until a menu appears or the icon begins to wiggle. If you're using an iPhone, tap on the Remove App option in the menu. For Android users, select Uninstall from the options that appear. Confirm the uninstallation by tapping Delete or OK when prompted. Next, to ensure your saved bank details are removed, open the Schwab app again before uninstalling it. Log into your account if necessary. Navigate to the Settings or Account section within the app. Look for the option that says Manage Accounts or Saved Bank Details. Here, you should see a list of any linked bank accounts. Select each account you want to remove. There will typically be an option to delete or unlink the account. Confirm the deletion when prompted. Once you've removed your saved bank details, close the app. Now, proceed with the uninstallation process as previously described. After uninstalling the app, check your device settings to ensure that any residual data related to the app is cleared. For iOS devices, go to Settings, tap on General, then select iPhone Storage. Find the Schwab app in the list and confirm. On Android devices, go to Settings, then choose Apps. Scroll through the list to locate the Schwab app and ensure it's gone. With these steps completed, you have successfully uninstalled the Schwab app and removed any saved bank details. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.